I received a wonderful message yesterday from a young man who read my book and is now preparing for his first role in a financial services company. That's going to be a full-time first-year role. So that's really encouraging to hear. Very big financial services company here in the US. And I've been keeping in contact with another friend of mine. He used to be one of my direct reports. I used to be his manager. I was his manager for a while. And he recently moved companies, and he's going to go work for a hedge fund. He got a job with a hedge fund. So it's a great move for him. It's doing more quantitative work, perhaps a better compensation package overall, and things along those lines. He just started that job in the recent past. So the jobs are out there. You know, the hiring is happening. And like I said, for me, I personally feel optimistic over the next year, because I'm seeing hiring happening at the higher levels, right? At the director levels, at the senior data scientist level, chief data officer levels. And that will have a trickle down effect over the next year. At least I think so.